Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about unboxing Baseus TWS, and it's really kind of great, and it's a WM01, which is really kind of great. And for further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Okay, there we have it. This is the Baseus WM01, which is really kind of great, and it's a plus. And yeah, that's what's up. So let us just unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. So guys, we're gonna just get started with peeling out this kind of box because it has something here. So, whoa, you've been greeted with that kind of Baseus artwork here, which is really kind of impressive. Let's see what's packed. Whoa, that's Baseus there. That's a paperwork jumping through. So we got paperworks here, as some of you guys can see. These are made in Chinese, and the paperwork's language is Chinese. You can see it there, and it's English version, which is really kind of great. I'm gonna keep it aside. I'm gonna keep aside first. Now let's jump into what's packed here on the box. This box, I don't know. Woo, nice. I really love this kind of stuff which they usually keep them, this kind of package which you can store your kind of TWS and you can keep them steady. So what we have here, this is a USB type C. So as you can see guys, it's a type C here. It's some extra buds which you can interchange. Love this kind of packaging which they usually keep it throughout Baseus. It's really kind of great thing for this kind of material. It's impressive. So what do we have here? Because they're stated they're really great and they're really pumped, and I was pumped too. You can see we're having that kind of Baseus logo somewhere there, shining. So where is the front? Just want to see. Whoa, impressive. This is the left, this is the right, this is the display. How does it work? Do you just touch them and they start to work? Or is there material somewhere here? Yeah, they usually cover this kind of material here, you can see guys, for protection, because they don't want it to drain. So we're gonna remove this kind of material. So as you can see guys, this is the USB type C, to get it in brief. And somewhere here, this is your screen which shows you, oh, this one, this is your screen which shows you how many Gs there remain. So you can just try to remove them. You can see it's 94% right now. Is it charging? I think that's charging 1 hour. It states for 1 hour with charge, which is really kind of impressive. So you can see I'm removing it, returning it, removing it, returning it, which is really impressive. And keeping it closely, I want you guys to see something. You can see on this kind of bad boy, they're like, is it touch here? Yes, this one is touch, but these ones are not touch. I think this is like you're holding them, which is really ergonomic, which I give it go. It's really kind of impressive, but yes, nice improvement. So let us just test it out and see how much it performs. So guys, right now we are just about to test this kind of bad boy, how much they pick, because I'm just so pumped, I'm just so excited. I just don't know, but I like that kind of Baseus kind of dial. Is it dial or ringtone, or is it a beep? It's called a beep. I was going too much. Ringtone. How comes? It's a beep. Ah, they're really ergonomic. They're really cool. Dang. They're really nice. This reminds me just like the way, is it Mi.S? I think the Mi.S, they look the same when it comes to the ergonomic style, but this one looks so great. These are touch. So let us just pay it on the phone here and see what's up. And I'm not even 100% on volume. It's just somewhere 60. Yeah. Whoa, they're impressive. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed, to be honest. And they have touch control. So it uses the gestures to control it, which is really great, to be honest. It's really awesome because you get to control each kind of thing throughout this kind of TWS earbuds from Baseus W01 Plus. It's really kind of great. It's quite not bad. I'm impressed on the music, to be honest. Let me just play for you guys something. I've just kept the music to 100%. Check this out. This is 100% music. Impressive. That's it. These are the Baseus W01. Let's talk about the specification right now. So the Baseus Encok true wireless earphones, they're really kind of great. Material wise, it's an ABS material. You get a Bluetooth version 5.0, which is really kind of great. Communication distance is up to 10 meters, which is really kind of great. Standby time, it's up to 300 hours, which is really kind of awesome. Music time, you get up to 5 hours with a 70% of the volume. And music listening duration with the charging box, it's up to 50 hours, which is really impressive. Battery capacity is 40 mAh of battery, which is really kind of great. And it has an 800 mAh of battery too, which is on the charging box, which is really kind of incredible. Charging time, it's only 2 hours. It's really kind of not bad because you just throw it on the shell and wait for 2 hours and you get back with that kind of 5 hours of playtime, which is really kind of great. Charging interface, it's a USB Type-C, which is really kind of great. And it's suitable for compatible with all wireless devices, which is really kind of impressive. To be honest, material-wise, it's really kind of impressive. You cannot neglect the Baseus WM01. Plus, it's really kind of awesome. Matter of fact, it's an Encok. As some of you guys know, we have reviewed the Baseus products in a couple of time past, and they were really kind of great. And if you missed out the D02 headphones, you can click this card here up and it will take you directly to that video. This kind of WM01 Plus, it's really kind of great. To be honest, on the scale of 10 to 0, I give it 9, and the price wise, it will wow you up. It's almost like $30. So $30 for this kind of bad boy, it doesn't break your bank. It's really kind of impressive for the music which you get throughout this. They're really kind of awesome, and to be honest, I'll be honest 100%, it's dope. It's dope. It's impressive. Thanks Baseus, it's a really kind of great product. So that's what's up guys about the W01 Plus. It's really kind of impressive. I really kind of adore it. I really kind of like it. I really kind of enjoy it because with the features which is packed, they're really kind of incredible. So that's what's up guys. Thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy. It will be so much great, so much awesome because you'll be supporting your homeboy here. Since day one, it will be so much amazing. Last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys. Peace. Yeah.